Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a simple modification that you can do to your folding bike to make it more comfortable, increase performance, and altogether improve your riding experience. What I'm going to show you is easy, you can do it yourself, and it uses basic tools. So let's get into it. So here we have a basic secondhand folding bike. And when you buy a secondhand folding bike, there's likely something that could do with replacing on it. And in this case, it's the seat. A lot of riders, especially first-time riders, can find riding uncomfortable due to their positioning on the bike. And I personally like to increase comfort by improving the parts of the bike that come into contact with the body. Let's look at the seat that's on here. In this case, it's quite old, and this is a seat that came standard on one of my old bikes. Today, we will be replacing it with this. Now this seat is better because it's a newer model, it's wider, it's made to be more comfortable than the seat that's on here. Now you can pick up one of these seats online or from a bike shop, but I went out and got this second hand from a thrift store, and it only cost me $5. So keep your eyes peeled while you're out there, because you might just find a bargain. I buy most of my gear secondhand, and that includes my bikes, the gear I use to make the videos, and my camping gear. But if you enjoy a bit of online shopping and you want to see my top picks, head over to HOBOCYCLIST.com and check out the Viewer Purchases tab. You can see what other viewers of the channel are buying. So on this bike, the tool to undo the seat is an Allen key. So I'm going to use this bike tool. Some bikes may have a bolt to undo the seat, and in that case you'll have to use one of these adjustable crescents. I've got my bike tool here, and it's just a matter of undoing this bolt here that will loosen the seat. There's a seat clamp that holds the rail, and once you undo it, it should just easily come apart. We'll take it right out, so we'll have a look at how it goes together. You see, with this seat, there's a clamp system held together by this bolt, and that attaches to the seat post here. Not all seat mounts are the same, but you should be able to service it yourself with just a crescent and a bike tool. So now that we've got that off, it's simply a matter of taking apart that clamp, taking off the old seat. So there's four parts to this. There's these two bits here that clamp onto the seat, a nut that goes on top, and this bolt that goes through and holds it all together. So here's the old seat, the rail there, and you can see how that goes together just through there, and that bolts on. So now it's just a matter of taking our new seat, fitting that clamp like so, and then bolting it onto the seat post. Just pop it on there, pop that bolt back in, and then tighten it up again with our Allen key. Now there's several different adjustments that you can make to the seat. You can move it this way and that way, and you can also move it this way or that way. So I just want it back in the original position, and what I'm going to do is tighten it up, take it for a test ride, and just see how it feels. That's nice and tight now. Now that looks better already, but you won't know until you ride it. So let's test ride the bike and see how it feels, and then we can make small adjustments. That's perfect. That doesn't need any more adjustments. And it makes the bike look a lot better as well. Now I'm on my way to my hideout in the mountains. If you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos. I'll see you in the next one.